So here we are at the website of OnLine, which is part of the Internet-Based Career Exploration System, the IBCES. And there's a lot going on this website. So just a front page here, but let's just look here. So this is for descriptions for job seekers, workforce development, human resources professionals, counselors, students, researchers, and more. And if you want to find more about it, you can click here. But you can do an occupation search or find an occupation, advanced search. There's a lot going on here. I like to go here, though. What do you want to be? Start your career, a dream job, or find out one that you haven't imagined. And I like to go here. So let's click on that. Okay. Now, there's three things here. Search by careers, by industry. Tell us what you like to do. But we know from the list that our imaginary patient, Mike Jones, of some interests that he had. And one of them was to be a welder. So let's start there with welder. Okay. And do the search. Oh, so there's a lot of different jobs, different work classifications for welders. Let's have a look at this. See, so when you're sitting here with Mike Jones or a patient, you're going to show them, oh, there's other things you can do. Maybe you want to be a boilermaker. But let's just go with welding. Okay, so we're going to click on that. Now here's the website for that. So it's welders, cutters, and welder fitters. So it's going to show you quickly the knowledge that you need to have, the skills, and the abilities. And then there's some personality traits and technology. So I sit with the patients. You're going to sit with your patient and go over these skills and knowledge and abilities, and they're going to say, oh, I could do that, I can't do that, or I need to do more of this, or I need to do that. Oh yeah, I can do that. So that you're really getting their interest now. So now, education-wise, for the welder, you have to have a certified high school equivalency diploma, which is a task. Education-wise, and then the job outlook. Oh, it's a pretty good salary. Maybe I'd be interested in being a welder. So there's a job finder here, which we're going to go to in a second, and then we're going to check out our state and salary here, which you can also do. But you can have a lot of fun with a patient exploring this website, and they'll get some ideas. And you've got their list in front of them, and you could add things to the list. Okay, but oh look, here's a little video about that career. So whatever page you're on, whether it's a horse trainer, roofer, welder, there's a little video. Shall we watch a bit of that? Sure. Let's have a check at that.
Welders, cutters, solderers, and brazers use handheld or remotely controlled equipment to join or cut metal parts or to smooth surfaces. These workers study sketches and specifications to understand the full picture of the structure and materials before they start their work. Welders and cutters' tools use high heat to soften the material. Welders use these tools to join metal in a wide variety of industries.
Okay. We got it. All right, so this is all looks good. You're sitting there with your client, and we're exploring this career path for them, and it's pretty interesting for them. I just want to point out that you noticed that there was women in that training video that were trained to be welders. So, okay, so let's have a look over here at the find training if they need some training, and that's just for welding, but it could be whatever, nursing or KSAC or to find training. So you can click on that and find where training is available. And then you can actually find some jobs by state, salaries. There's a lot going on here, but let's just see if we can, what the job situation. Let's check it out by state. Okay, so let's go here to New York. Well, here we are. Okay, find a job. I'm going to go by state. You would type in your, wherever you are in New York State. So I'm on Long Island, so let's just try a Long Island zip code. Oh, there's not a lot of jobs on Long Island. Oh, no, here we are. Oh, here we go. Show the jobs within 50 miles. There's no welding jobs on Long Island. That can't be true. No, there are. Oh, there's 3 pages of them. Okay, so here's welding. Here's welding jobs. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Oh, so there's quite a few. There's over 30 welding jobs just in a little area here where I am in Nassau County. Okay, so this is what you can do with your patient. It's in their treatment plan, and you're going there with them to explore their careers, their dream jobs, and it's a lot of fun, and they can get excited about it too. Okay, so this is a great tool, tremendous resource for you to use in your vocational educational counseling, and now you have access to it. If you didn't know about it, it's a good thing. All right, so have fun using it, and let's move forward.